Hello there again. In this video, I'm going to take you through a tour on your eBay account. So this is the main page. Once you log into eBay, you can see all the commercials here. And I want to show you here at the top end, left top end of the screen, you can see your name, Hi Carmeet, and this is your username, and this is your feedback. You have two kinds of feedbacks. You either get a feedback when you buy an item as a buyer from the seller, he will give you a feedback, or you can get when you sell an item, you get a feedback from the buyer. Now we go to my eBay. In my eBay, you have selling. If you press on selling, which is what we need, it's your working area, okay? You can see here the username again and the feedback count, the feedback score. You have your seller performance, your performance level, and if you press here on above standard and your seller dashboard, you will see what you need to do to reach the next level as a seller. You have three tabs. You have activity tab, which is all the items you sell and how much you've sold and where you list a new item, your summary, your watch count, how many people are watching. You have the next tab, which is messages tab, which is all the inbox, the messages you receive from eBay or from your buyers or sellers if you buy an item as a buyer. And you have your third tab, which is account tab, which is all the settings you need to set on your account. So I want to show you first of all your selling area, this activity tab. You have sell. If you want to sell an item, you press on sell an item here. Okay, if you want to see all the items you have sold, you can press on sold. You have the active, which is all the items that are active. Right now everything is empty. You can see it's all on 0 because I haven't uploaded any items yet. This is a brand new account that I'm using to teach you through. It's only a teaching account. We can scroll down. You'll see you have the returns. Once you have one, you have sold, unsold items that are not up in the air anymore, announcements from eBay, promotional offers. For example, we have an offer from eBay if you list up to 50 items for free this month. So you can check out all the items. You also have an icon legend, okay, that shows you what are all the icons mean. Right now we don't have any orders, so we don't have any icons, but this is an icon legend that you can use. If you scroll back up, you can see the account tab. I want to go into the account tab for a moment. Okay, this is the account tab, my account. You have your personal information tab. Okay, you can see your username, and if you need to change perhaps the email you're registered with, you can change it here. I don't recommend doing that. It's pretty complicated, and you'll need a permission from eBay to do it, but this is where you do it if you'll need to do it. Again, not recommended, not at this stage. You have all the financial information, okay? You have your addresses, you have communication preferences, site preferences. Site preferences is quite important, okay? You should check out all the site preferences and see what it means, okay? You have the seller dashboard. It's really useful. You'll be watching this almost every day, I hope. If you work correct, you should be watching this, okay? It'll show you what is your status right now. You have Resolution Center. Resolution Center is where you can see a case. If some buyer bought an item from you and he has some sort of a complaint and he wants his money back or to return an item, you will also see it here. If it's an open case, it will be here in the Resolution Center. Okay, you have your PayPal account link. If you need to change your PayPal account, you see, remember that I've linked it already. I've previously done that. So you can unlink it and put in another PayPal account. You can donate some of your percentages of your earnings if you'd like to by logging into donation account. You have subscriptions and resolution center. Again, it's all the cases that are open or returns. Right now we have none here. And that's it. That's what I wanted to show you.